A penny saved is a penny earned. This means saving money is just as important as earning money. This expression is said to teach people the importance of saving their money. My parents always encouraged me to save money. They taught me that a penny saved is a penny earned. A steal. A very low price. An item being sold at a price lower than its true value. This car was a steal. I got it for only $1,200.